This Mother's Day, give her a gift that blossoms. Waters Garden Center is celebrating the women who make our lives beautiful.
You know, there's something special about hydrangeas. They're like a mother's love, full, generous, and always changing beautifully. This year, we're offering a unique way to show your appreciation.
Imagine her garden filled with those stunning cloud-like blooms. Each one is a reminder of your love and gratitude. Hydrangeas, with their evolving colors, symbolize the depth of a mother's heart.
We've assembled a colorful collection of 5 unique hydrangeas mothers will love for their day, each under $70. Order one of each for mom and receive $100 off.
Don't miss this opportunity to create a lasting memory. Pre-order your hydrangeas today at watersgardencenter.com.
It's more than just a gift, it's a living expression of your love. We're here to help you make this Mother's Day truly special at Waters Garden Center and watersgardencenter.com.